All right, so let's keep going. Carrie has a rectangular garden that measures 6 feet by 8 feet. Okay, so it looks like 6 feet by 8 feet. Okay, she plants entire garden with strawberry plants. Carrie is able to plant 4 strawberry plants per square foot. Okay, so 4 per square foot. Okay, and she harvests an average of 10 strawberries per plant, and 10 strawberries per plant. So it says how many strawberries does she expect to harvest? Okay, well, because we know here it says she is able to plant 4 per square foot, we need to figure out how many square feet we have here. So square feet, that's an indication of area, right? Because it's 6 feet times 8 feet gives us 48 square feet. All right, so we have that. Now that we have that, we can kind of figure that out. Okay, so it's 48 square feet and it's 4 plants per square foot. So that's a multiplication problem. If there's 48 square feet and it's 4 per square foot, then you have 48 times 4. And that'll give you the number of strawberry plants that she's going to plant. Okay, and so if this is all right, so this is the number of plants that she's going to plant. Then how many strawberries will she harvest? Well, it's 10 per plant. So this is, if this is the number of plants, then it's 48 times 4 times 10 for the number of strawberries. So we just need to figure out this one at this point. Okay, so 48 times 4, that's going to give us 96 times 2. So that's going to give us 192, and then times the 10, there's a 0. So you get 1920, which is D. Yep. Okay.